Rec Leader with El Segundo Parks and Rec, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make Valentine's Day heart hats. So what you will need is one paper plate, a pen, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our paper plate and we're just going to fold it in half. And then once we do that, we are going to outline where we want to cut out. So we're just going to outline around the edge. We're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom so that the heart connects, so that the heart stays connected to the hat. So it should look something like this, and then we're just going to draw our heart. And then your outline should look something like this. And now that we have that laid out, we're just going to cut it out. Okay, and so now this is what it should look like once it's all cut out. Now that we're just going to unfold it. So this is what you should have, something like this. And now that we have this, we're just going to fold the heart up. And then that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching.